Now we're married and we're settling. You know what I mean? Only thing we need in the house right now, just some furniture. We get your house, because everything in your name, you know. The vehicle in your name, everything in your name.
Really?
Yeah. So, what you know, say, what we need to do right now is maybe like, just have a little baby. We need a baby for just tie the knot there. If we can, build a band there. Because we do love, we have to create love and we can see love in a form of a youth.
Baby is a must.
Alright, that me I talk about.
Baby is a must. So,
Just make yourself comfortable because mi casa, su casa. You understand me? I say, because a few things, papers in a year name, me tell you already. So you don't have to worry yourself. Everything compensated. You understand that? But you are going, I'm going to touch you right now because I have to start out some little things.
Alright.
See? So, in a little
What time you come back?
About 5 o'clock. Expect me about 5 o'clock on it. You know what I mean?
Right.
Oh my God. This is the make your dreams come true. Only for you. Alright?
Thank you.
Later on.
Good afternoon, boss.
Hello?
Good afternoon.
Oh, what going on actually?
There enough, boss. Say everything work out the right way on my plan.
Okay, explain, tell me what going on.
Everything signed over in my name, man. And him gone. Him come back about 5 o'clock. So, you can come over.
Alright, so like a plan. So just, if anything, I have to delay him, just delay him until you found, right?
Alright, boss.
Alright, so we can just call and reach close and let you in, see?
No problem.
Alright.
Alright, so this is a man I kill, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so I'm going to do that. So you come well prepared in and gloves and everything.
Yeah, we see it, man.
Yeah, man, so you are going, you know. You just call up your man and tell him, say, you go with your auntie. So just prepare something nice and ready up till you come. But this man I have left over here. So by the time you gone, the man come, I'm going to do dirt. And then by the time you reach back and call police and say, yo, you come and find your husband dead.
Yeah, man, a simple 1, 2, 3 that.
Alright, cool.
Yeah. Me I go down to my auntie. Yeah, me I go down to my auntie. I go deal with something for my auntie, so just come home and nice up yourself and something, man. Get some things sorted out because we are going to make a baby tonight. Yeah, make a baby tonight. Alright? Yeah, man. Alright. Love you too. Hello? Yeah, I just come from, I come from down my auntie and I come see my husband dead. Yes. With the lot 117, 33 Avenue. Hurry up. You now breathe. Please.
Someone a dead long time out. Right down saying dead about 3 hours, so if we call this scene now. Just write down say 3 hours ago. Alright? If we call it, it's a crime scene of crime to come deal with this. So what is it happening now?
I came home and saw him laying on the floor and I don't know.
So where were you when all this happened?
I was down by my aunt and I even called him and told him that I was going to my aunt. I told him that we're coming home to make a baby and I came home and saw him dead.
So you think he has any enemies or anyone that would want to harm him or you?
I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so.
I'm gonna have the scene of crime come and deal with his body because we can't move him because he's been here for about 3 hours now. And I'm gonna take it down to the station to get your statement. Alright?
Alright.
So, bring her down.
Right now?
Right now.
I need to get my tech though. But after marriage and something, we still gonna do the same thing, said we.
Yeah, but I mean, him have more money than you know? Him can take care of me properly.
So make him take care financially, me take care emotionally.
That wouldn't be fair, come on.
What is fear though?
Fear is me playing fair with both of you guys. Him have the money, you have the...
But I was first though, right?
I would have said like, you like pleasure me better. But him finance me better.
So you have the best of both worlds.
Both
No matter what go on in my life, you know, no matter if I meet the love of my life, because I love my life already, there's some things that nobody else can really take a space there.
Sooner or later, probably. I mean...
No matter what though, you always go be my number one. So even we get a next girl and anything.
You're sure about that?
Sure about that.
I'ma always be your number one.
My number one. No matter what you do and what you do, who you married.
So even though I'm engaged, you don't have a problem with that?
My feelings don't change. You know what I mean? So if things change for me, like financially, and we didn't break up, we can do the same thing like I did to you, we can get married up. With all these success, life will not so nice without you. You know what I mean?
I know that. Because I may bring all the spark in your life.
How much you know since today?
I left that to you.
Let's go to the beach.
That means I would suggest you right now.
Them beach party, they don't turn on camera up on it. So for that,
Make sure, because I can't do this right now.
what do you think in the dark? Don't get in the wrong.
Oh, you come so?
Yeah.
Sure.
Just walk past the camera.
Yeah, come on. Come on. Yeah, come here, babe.
Alright. That is good. We can't promise some trouble.
Yes, you go on with the funny dance show. Alright, if I reggae them a play, how you move like a dancehall?
We can't do everything. Everything I want to do, we can't do. So yes, a shower time?
Sure. It is for drink, man.
Wait.
I'll get the help back home.
Yeah, man, job well done.
Yeah man, bossy, it was so easy. Like, No glitch. And you see the inspector them, they not even can keep up to what going right now. None of them not even, they just do well, proper.
Yeah, man, so as soon as I get the insurance money,
Yeah.
on to the next job.
Yeah man, me just wait for the paperwork and everything to come through the right way, then me give you the money. Alright?
Detective Gordon,
Yeah.
but the location I place where would you come with the lady where find her husband dead right now, you know?
What?
She and the next man they inside.
Listen, what you doing there? What are you doing there? Get out of here now.
Listen. She and the next man they inside that discuss something about getting the house and them a say them plan and kill the man. You need to come right now.
Listen to me. Why you go there without me? You shouldn't have go there without me. What if something happened to you?
Who did I move
there.
too so I didn't follow up with the investigation.
I'll deal with that. Get out of there now.
Alright.
Now, get out of here now.
Seems like you're gonna talk to somebody on the phone. So all you need to do, if when the police turn up, just ensure so you just tell them, say no, you know nice, you want them home all day. Alright? Alright, so we are cut, so if anything, just stay calm and just stick to your script.
Good evening. Mind if I come in?
Good mind if I come in, you have a search warrant, sir?
Alright, listen. I'm not here to be. I don't have a search warrant, but I can get one if I really need it. But this is this is the problem. Alright. My partner, she called me, tell me about some murder, and here is where the last place she was at. Mind if I take a quick look?
Take a look, because I'm the only one here. Search.
Try don't leave. I'm gonna do some more investigation and come back. And if you ever know say you're involved in a part that I remember anything about it, and you realize that everybody come here so dead, something not right over here. If me ever know say you're involved, you not to prison. That is the mark and see how you yeah?
Okay, sir, I assure you that you won't find a partner. Thank you.
How you look so? Well, sorry we never get to come to my funeral, you know. Get caught up. You look drunk, man.
That's not even she in the casket.
What you mean by... What you mean?
I wasn't even there to save her. She not gonna go like this. I have to find the person who's responsible for her death. I'm not stop until I get revenge.
No worry yourself. Me have your back. He's like a brother to me. Remember say me and you got training school together, you know. So any little thing, just call me. And take care of yourself, man, and stop. Do this. Everything soon be alright. Get yourself together, man.
I have to find who do it.
Yeah, man, Paris. Yeah, man, we go long time we not chat, man. Alright, so here we go. You know, so I have a little job for you. Alright, no boss say it, man. Me just text you all the details, in. You know, we can't talk everything over phone. Alright, so I'm gonna text you info, in. Alright, so we just catch up, man. When the time right, we just link up, in. Alright, later then, in. Alright.
I'm seeing you so often nowadays, why?
Maybe I must talk.
I'm seeing at gym, I'm seeing the supermarket, like most of the places, and before now, we never actually see them at all.
As you say, I must talk. Yes, I'm search for more done.
Never can tell. Try to come out of the sun. Yeah, so, see you so much time. So what's the name though?
Paris.
I'm notice from Monday, everyone will turn me and run into you, you know what I mean? So I say, what if a sign or coincidence, you know what I mean? So where you from?
Just recently moved here with my brother.
So where you moved from?
Yes, you know, that's a question.
I'm curious then, you know what I mean?
You know what they say, curiosity kills the cat.
And you're a female, so you have a cat. You know Chili though, more Billy. I'll make it correct. And feel good. I'm gonna take care of it. So, there I go back to my room. I notice here. Where are you now though?
Just a jog on the beach and then I'm going to get a shower and then maybe hit the gym.
Just call me, I'll go in, cook some food and line up some things and then I'll go to the gym. Come on the beach when it's cool, you know. But we talk about that because we need to get to know you, so when you come to gym today, we talk. Exchange number and something there.
No problem.
So where you stay? On the beach here?
Yeah, right down there.
Alright, so at the gym we meet and then after that we take it from there.
Alright.
Nice meeting you.
Same here.
Paris.
Later.
Nobody take you now, you know. Wait. Where you find it though?
I can find them like...
Alright, so have a seat. Manners there.
Where are you?
I'm good, you?
Alright.
So I'm gonna say I gym this morning.
Kinda tight up, you know. Give her exercise, so have to take a day off.
I'm gonna give you a massage.
Sure. But not right now.
No, right now.
No. Just know you can't touch my body right now.
How long does it take to touch your body?
Depends, I have to get to know you first. Right?
But what do you why? What you want to know about me?
Surprise me.
Well, the best thing about me is in my action, you know.
Them always say actions talk louder than words. So
You have to get the okay if you're really sure of certain things. But then look at things you want to know about me, like where I'm from, all them things up on the internet. If you want to hear it on me, you can just ask me single question them and I answer them just the same. Something about you, you know what I mean? Because to tell the truth, I'm not a person where believe in a second down, you know. But you just give me the, when I see you in the gym, see I work out there, do squat them, and just a little vibration, like an energy I feel when I'm in next year, you know? I feel say something good there. Interesting to know about you though, differently.
I want to know. Tell me what you want to know.
I really want to know though what them lips taste like. Cause me in the gym, every time you go up and down, I watch your bump but I watch your mouth. I specialize in a female's mouth. If your mouth can cute, like it know a lot of things.
Can't taste me, let's see them dry. Not offer me something to drink.
Alright, what you want to drink though?
What you have?
I think I have something like what Jamaicans drink every day. I'll surprise you.
Alright, no problem.
Alright?
Alright.
So I'll surprise you. Don't watch the mess. No, it's because I'm here alone there here. And this is one of the rooms that I'm occupy. I'm just a simple guy.
That's fine.
Not to have a and them look copy me use because for me alone there I'm lazy, you know. I don't have time to watch plate and everything there. No, there's all everything in there. Stop now? I don't know how much you want in it. Here.
Thank you.
You know what, I'm gonna get some drink to myself. Alright. So we can say cheers. Can go look bad here alone and drink coming up. Alright, this is our little first. No, it's the first time you have visit me, right? But I wonder if you want to stay over though.
You know, my brother come pick me up. Remember we just moved, so can't tarry. But maybe next time. Take up here. Thanks. Hello? Alright, may I come?
Your brother that
Yeah.
more up at the front. Thanks for coming, brother.
Anyway, it's been nice. Is it?
Yeah, Wagwan, what you say? Alright, where up on YouTube? Alright then, me go check it. But them did it fast though. Well, last night, we went on the road last night, I be things going on the road, boss. I tell her, say, yo, chill out over door. Yeah, man. So, one female in there, wake up on that, what's she there? Right now, I don't see her, you know. Like she gone. Yeah, but soon change, man. It soon change. I think it won't change. Soon find a girl and calm down with, but for now, enjoy life, you know what I mean? That's why I'm not doing me hard, I just, for more day, I just the hotel is it. So I just someone build. Jamaica too violent, so my time still. You know what I mean? Some rather stay far from violence and just have some nice girl in the silence. So like a new song, not true? That's our word. But anyway, we have a new idea for a new song. So I go voice note you it and you link the studio, but then I can read feed and I go in the studio shortly. I got Jim in idea, I said you must run upon the beach for a minute and so I go on. So after that, if when I check it out, I listen to the watch the video and then I get back to you. So see if I can make somebody start and I can read it for me. I send you the demo of the song and just knock a beat feet and then I go in the studio go deal with it. Because when you get a contract, you know, you have to deliver. So you are the manager. So manage the thing and make it work. You know what I mean? Alright, yeah man, just look me an idea. I'll check the video out now. Yeah man. Cool. Yeah man. You're a manager now, do your thing man. Yo, man, sick. Yo, whoever edit this them bad. You know what I mean? Who shoot you have an idea what I'm do, is it? So it's a good look man, I like it man, I like it. So go on, you promote it then now? Just promote it. Just promote it, you work. Yeah man, one shot at love. Yeah, we are touch the beach now, you know, cause time ago. Said speed. Yeah man, a good idea man. One shot at love. One shot at love. You don't know my name? You don't know the code?
I know the code, but you know your style as usual. Suppose you did have one woman in the naked. If you just put the doors up.
No, it's true man. You're good. Come in. You come from the right side. I mean, music video I watch a while ago, but differently, you know. I run from the beach or swim or whatever I do, but clean my place. I have some guests last night. I don't know when she gone. She and her friend. Two girls in there last night. I don't know. But just interesting. Anything else for dash way. Anything for stay.
Okay.
So you good though? Alright, so you get paid last week, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we just do cars shoot. So I tell the manager, but we want interested body. Alright, so if there's a problem, talk to him about it.
Okay.
Alright? Whatever you see here, I can stay here.
Alright.
That was exhausted. You look like. One more?
No, what's that?
What do you
But
pay mind?
anyways,
Something to pay mind though.
you know, we've been having sex for quite some while. And, you know, my parents are religious and all. And them don't believe in sex before marriage. And all of my sister they married. And my cousin. And so me, you know, feel like say, we deserve our ring now. You know, feel so?
Well, it's been great, right? And you do deserve anything you want in a world. But sometimes I wonder, cause some relationship, alright, what may I say? You have enough relationship in Jamaica where go for 30, 40, 50 years without marriage. And soon as they're married, the relationship mash up. So, for the first time I see you, that come to my mind. But the more I make love to you, and the more I feel the connection, is the more I worry if we go down the route there, what go happen. Post as we're married now, it changed. Because I don't know what in marriage. Maybe it's an expectation or whatever the case may be, make it don't work. Everybody start move paranoid. But what we have now, like we go all over the place, we go to beach, we go to a river, we go all over the place. We even make love out in the bush. Maybe you get married and now you start move stuck up. You know what I mean? And I want to go do certain things again because now you're a married woman. I don't know if you go change anything if we do get married. But you deserve everything though. You know what I mean?
I'm not rushing, you know. I'm just saying. I'm just putting it out in the atmosphere.
I know. The message is clear. You know what I mean? So, well received. But, you make me worry still. But now, let's not worry about that though. Because what we have is good, and want it's good, it's good. You know what I mean?
Okay, that's fine. But as I'm saying, I'm just put it in the atmosphere. I'm not rushing or anything. It was on my mind. And you asked me what's on my mind.
Yeah, if I up your mind still. It will come to reality. But this is what I like about you though. I can really have a conversation with you and I can ask you a question and you just say what's on your mind. Because plenty of people in the world don't speak their mind. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. So, like what you want. You can let me know.
After making love to you, there's no way me I pray like one night something. Why have no normal, you know? That's why they keep me away from it. No normal.
So what change your mind? Me?
Well, you know, some never know that a slim female could have done something like squirt and cream. Like, I've been with a lot of different ladies, right? And only the big body, sexy one, them really do them something there. So, like, it surprised me, you know, like, it let me chip, you know what I mean? No one sends me, I said, no. So while I'm making love to you, like, I mean, I want a different world, you know what I mean? So, I guess that's changed my mind from, because normally, I just call it a day. Because maybe sometime in our life, it's just a search. Right now, when you find what you look for, you stop searching, you know what I mean? So I just start basically change my mind from, for the right now. I think it's time for me to cool down. How you cool me?
Something like that. As them says, there's a first time for everything.
So what about you though?
What about me?
What are you looking for really?
Somebody to love and cherish me. And I think I found it. You know, feel so.
So what about the guys them where you come from? Can't enough of them so start running down, you know?
Who said nobody never run me down?
I don't want there and someone come kill me for you, know?
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that at all.
What you rough though? Let's go down to the pool.
Alright.
Tired of your shit though. Not tired of you though. Will you marry me?
Yes. But did it fit?
Where's the ring, babe?
I left in other room. Yeah, never want to get lost in the ocean.
But I see kind of rough though. But you know what's the difference them there? Well, I made before you come a while ago and I say, like how we married now, time for one baby now. Now that we're married and thing.
You sure you're ready for that?
Yeah, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man. I think a good idea. As long as the baby have your smile and, you know what I mean? What do you think?
It's
It
a lot of
works.
responsibility though.
Yeah, man. Ready for that responsibility there. Because I work hard, you know. So, at the end of the day, just go hard and done. Baby come, we have what it take care of baby. You know what I mean? So, you can't live selfish.
That not sound bad.
You where you want to go? In the seawater or you want to go into the pool?
It doesn't really matter now. Just a water pool.
But we'll do it in the seawater. Let's try it in the pool.
Okay.
I think.
Alright.
Alright, so you say you want to eat now, babe?
Food.
Like, what kind of food do you want?
Rice and something.
Don't take long though. No water.
Morning.
Morning, what one?
Yeah, man, you good?
You finally reach.
I'm in see Paris. Which one today?
She can't bother man, she soon come back man. She can't link up with her family or whatever the case may be. But don't worry about that. Right now, I want to pick up something I told you. I want one box for when I look at boom box them USB they call them. You know the box and I talk about play for your phone.
Where you connect your phone to.
Yeah. I want one of them. So pick up one of them, don't guys sit there for me. That can buy man, just pick up one of them. Alright, I'll come back right now. Just do it right now.
I did have something to ask you, you know. Yes. About you and Paris. Nobody say me a fast in your business.
No man, you're good man. Tell me what I said.
I get to understand say you and Paris married. And you're not even invite me a wedding.
I never one of them wedding there, you know what I mean? It's a private wedding. All me and her alone in there. I want witness. So fast. That was a fast thing. I just decided so we don't get it away with.
Next thing. How you married that the girl there? I mean know if you was of them type of person there. You just meet her and go marry her and look how much woman me know you talk to.
Come on, say a line up for your cousin, you know. But every woman different. But there's something about Paris, you know what I mean, that special. You know what I mean? Every woman have them own things, but she have a little bit extra than most women. In my opinion, though.
You see it. And look how my cousin did love you, everything good. But I know nothing still. Me I go buy something where you say. Me fi buy for you. The boombox.
Yeah man.
Alright then.
Alright. Oh, you make them try down there?
Yeah, them try. That's why the box open.
They sound good.
Yes, then try man.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Oh yeah,
You love your mother?
oh.
Yo, Paris. Yeah, man, me do what I do. Let me in. Alright.
Where man there?
I'm gonna pass you this morning.
You get the insurance paper signed?
Yep. Wasn't hard.
Alright, so you know the next stage or whatever, right?
Yeah. You tell me.
You see your ex? We'll make it look like him kill him.
So I forgot to talk back to that Monday.
No, man, you don't have to talk back to him, man. We'll make it easy and simple. We just want to make you just leave, go supermarket. By the time you come back, you come back, come see him dead.
Alright.
Yeah. And what we are going to do now, we just set it, make it look like, say, your ex do it.
So we're going to do that.
Once you come back, come find him dead, just call the police. Once you call the police, you just tell them, say, yo, your ex always threaten you. And say, I'll kill you and your new man.
So then I got ask the proof.
But don't tell her, we just set it, make it look like him. Whatever weapon we use to kill him, we just plant it by your ex. We just call her and tell her when. We could just easily poison him, but that might not work out in terms of getting the insurance money. So this now is a foolproof way of insurance how to get the money. So just keep your ears open and your phone active so me call you.
Alright, no problem.
Alright.
You're not babe. I go to the studio, you know. You alright?
Alright.
When the help come, tell her to cook about some food. Some cook food more and see. I'll come back. I'll flip about 1 hour and add.
Alright.
You going away?
I think I might go on the road.
Alright. Sure, bro. You want to come and studio with me?
Nah.
Alright.
Alright.
Sure, babe. Sorry about your back last night, here.
That's fine.
Alright. Step on the studio.
Alright, later, be safe, have fun.
Alright, put in the work.
Morning. You're the help?
Yes, I'm the helper.
You can come in.
Okay, thanks.
So, Kira's King went to the studio. Some stuff in the kitchen. He said he want food and veg. So,
Alright.
alright.
Alright then.
So, music can move far, you know. And you get a contract for overseas. Right now, you know, people they want an album, you know. Yeah. So we have to go work on it. But differently, how the hotel life? Well, with security, it feel more better than when I had so many times still because you know it's street set. The fight them are dead there now. Nothing at all, people are dead. So if you don't want people for you can you're not getting in trouble still, but you never know where you might there. Wrong place at wrong time. So that's so good. Can meditate and I can ride. You know what I mean? Good environment. Good to hear that in the cause why you fit for the tour, you know. Yeah man, I'm on in time. Run on the sun and then I do the gym and workout so you can keep the lungs them fit. But different the door. There's a new girl at the gym, her name Paris, you know what I mean? We meet her, the way I bounce with her, she look like a destiny. You know what I mean? So I never tell her about it still, but I found one day, you know me and her, I get in. So now she's stay a little longer, she'll left her the day when I come and stood a while ago. You know what I mean? It's a good vibration though. So but me can't give a full detail what I go on because you must know what I go on because their management is it. But like how a man find a girl and second them, in every business you have to have a woman behind it, you know? But as me I say, it's a one shot at love. I feel say it can go viral and I have a doubt in my mind. But I get 2 more of them from Fame Beat, you know. So you don't have to fret. All you have to do, focus on another song. One shot at love have to take on its own journey. Because we need some more album. So the money will come in. Yeah man, that sound good man. So, enough respect still man. We work, we put in the work because work is what we do. You know what I mean? And I talk, we talk. I work, we work. So anyway, I will rest up and you know. And go and listen to the rough mix when I get from Chubby. Go and walk and see if I can get a one white girl. You never can tell. You know what I mean? Enjoy yourself. Yeah man, so. Yeah.
Alright, you know what you gotta do? You gotta go in the room. Yeah? Just plant this in there. Make sure you say nobody knows we're not going there, you know. You hear me tell them? Alright, so I'm growing this up. Just walk this up. Walk this up. Yo.
Check if it up, pick up.
Hold on, I'm check it. Yeah man, me I hear it.
Come in.
Me I like echo. Alright, hang on. Alright, hurry up.
Alright.
Yeah, the 2 room we get for you. I met them, I start right one. So I know say where like you go work. You know what I mean? So I start right that one day. I go work. So I don't know what I got to today. Maybe by tomorrow, I'll buy it. Come on, I put vibration though. Just there in the morning, yeah. I go on exercise with a ball, is it? Well, me just left from out of the office still, you know, so me have to check it, but enough of that still. You understand, but you know, so we are going on the tour, so you have to advise to do some them. That's why I'm here with them. Don't worry yourself, man. It don't take long to get a hit song. You do it already, I'll do it again. So you what? By tomorrow.
A time for we kill Curious King, you know. So here what you gotta do. You see as him come, you just have to tell him say, yo, you go to the supermarket, you grab your shopping bag, go on the supermarket, and then we just send the nigga come kill him.
When I'm leaving, I'll let you know.
Alright, so I have the X tied up at one place. You see after bad dog kill the Rasta and carry the murder weapon come, I just let him go and make sure say him have it in his possession. So everything got you smooth, is in?
Alright, no problem.
You want me just hope you not fall in love with him, you know?
No, sir. I like him. But you know, some love money more.
Alright, so just call me, alright?
Alright, no problem.
You know what I mean? Alright, so I'm going to go back to the room now. I'm just here for a man and go and work out. You know what I mean? So, by tomorrow, just line up the studio time. We're going by tomorrow. Like a beer rum here, there, you drink. You drink to celebration. Because you know, see them two songs there, when be a hit for the rhythm they want me to give you. So all you do get it done Monday. Just go on in and go hold a fresh man. I'm going to go and drink out your system. So just go on in, man. Alright, look more. Alright. So you do now?
I'm about to go to the supermarket.
I'm carrying a bag and thing. That's where you go buy directly.
Some champagne and whipped cream.
Spice up a night. See you at shopping tonight.
Alright, me call her and I'll come from the supermarket.
Alright, call me, go and carry the things then.
Alright, later.
Alright, babe. What's up?
I have something I want to talk to you about. You can't come in.
Why?
Just want me to talk to you about something.
I'm not buying a phone. Where's the you have to me now?
I'm Officer Daly. I'm from the police department.
So you want undercover police?
Yes.
See you on the place, you know. And see you look for me a certain way. So me as I wonder if I saw front you want to sell me.
Sir, your life is in danger.
My life in danger?
Yes, me and my partner is out there. I'm going to call him so he can come and talk to you.
Call upon me, what you say.
Sir?
Let's see now, because she tell me one story, but I know I'm not really buying into it. Tell me what you say now.
My name is Detective Charles, and I've been going around doing some investigation on this Mr. Anderson. What him do? Him recruit females, young females, and send them out. Them have a thing with them, go around and married people, and then kill them after. So it's like a little scheme that we are trying to catch them, and you're next on their list. And your current girlfriend now, she's working with them.
She's not my girlfriend, she's my wife. Men are married.
I understand I say your girlfriend, but...
Yo, I just hope you don't fall in love with Rasta boy.
No, sir. I good you, but you know some love money more.
what I said to you, and there is many more like that, you know. But then they have one, she have the money now and I time too. Let's buy somebody. Where? Drop that. Relax, man. Hold on. Sit down. I will sit down. Relax. I will sit down. Hands up, come here. Hold it, yo. What it good, no? Hold on, man. Hold on. Yo, I don't want to hear no chatting, man. Relax, man. You're there for a little while. Yeah?
Tell me, how much a boss I pay?
Listen to me, man.
Hold on, man.
Listen to me.
Two times that?
Listen to
Three
me.
times that?
Yo, no money you have can replace my partner. You hear me? Come in, man. Sit down. Sit down. What you want to do with her?
Give me a say now. What's my ring for now, here? Please don't get my ring for now.
Let it free up your finger.
You got my ring. Come, look at on. I heard exactly what you say and the thing. The officers them saved my life. Thank you for the work. Now, what next one I do?
Lock her up. Which one I'm not going to talk, you know?
You have to talk to my lawyer.
Listen to me now. You see the evidence we have against you, the lawyer can't save you, you know. I'm dead if you're dead right now. Yeah? So we should not know talk. We should not give up Mr. Anderson. So no talk. Alright. No talk. Take this thing for joke.
Yo, I just hope you don't fall in love with Rasta boy.
No, sir. A good youth, but you know some love money more.
You love money more. With this evidence for me have here now. Not even a lawyer, nothing can save you now. So, I'm have to just give him up right now. Oh no, I said nothing. Daily. Call HQ.
Nice girl. You better you take a plea deal, you know. Because you see behind bars, you know, easy. Talk to my lawyer.
Lawyer can't help you, you know.
You know, some people say she want to talk, but it look like she afraid of the man. Just give me a couple minutes with her.
Listen, no matter what, nothing at all. Just take 5 minutes.
Alright, thank you.
Oh, relax, man.
Mama, look how you're nice. You really want to go through with this? You don't deserve this, you know? You know it's a prison house and I don't know an easy place. The heap of abuse you get in there. You hardly get food for eat and eat something. You really think you want to go through this? Just think about if you really want to go through this. You look how you're nice. You don't deserve them something here. You don't deserve all of this. Don't make nobody lead you. Talk and get out yourself. Get the information you need to give.
I was say I have to talk to my lawyer.
You still talk about liar again? Here what I'm going to do for you. You see, just because you remind me of my little sister and because Mr. Anderson want me internationally, I'm going to set up a deal for you. You go overseas and put it under witness protection. You change your identity and start a new life. So all you have to do, just make me know where Mr. Anderson is.
Alright, we did a plea deal. That not sound bad.
Alright.
So we tell her it's from Mr. Anderson.
Okay, do that. That sounds good.
Alright.